How's it going, guys? It's Nick White here. I do live coding and Twitch stuff, live coding and tech stuff on Twitch and YouTube. Check the description for more information if you're interested in checking that out. And right now, what I'm doing is this, you know, these tree problems, and there's only about 40 of them on LeetCode. Pretty straightforward. So we're doing pre-order, post-order, and in-order. I did pre-order and post-order already. This one's in-order, and here's basically how they work. In-order, post-order, and pre-order refer to the order in which the root node is traversed, right? So in pre-order, the root node's traversed first, then the left and right subtrees, right? So it'd be F, and then this subtree, then this subtree. And you see F as the first element. In order, the root is going to be in the middle of the output, right? Because it's going to be traversed in the middle. So it's left subtree traversed, then F, and then right subtree. In post order, obviously, it's going to be at the end because it's traversed last. So we're doing the in order one. The post order and pre order were easy difficulty, and the in order one is medium for some reason. It's a little bit different implementation. It wasn't too bad, but let's just get it going here. So we have given a binary tree, return the in order traversal of its node values, right? And I just explained that. So what we do that's a little bit different here is we have a list of integers as our output array. Let's actually add, we have a stack and an output array still, just like the other one. So, we have a stack of tree nodes. They're not in, I don't know why they switched the problems a little bit. They have tree node in this one instead of node. And then it's called stack, right? You can call it whatever you want. New stack. And then we have a list of integers as our output array once again. And this time we're going to use an array list. Still, we'll call it output array. And then we'll do the same check that we do in, other problems, where we do if root is equal to null, we'll just, return the output array. Because that's nothing, right? If we have a null root, then we have no tree, if that makes any sense, because we're getting passed in nothing. There's no tree, there's nothing to traverse, so the output's going to be nothing. You're going to get nothing. And then, that's pretty much it. And then okay, this is where it gets a little bit different. This is the only thing that's really different here, right? So we're gonna have to set tree node current. So we're gonna have a current in this one to traverse is equal to root. So we have a current node is equal to root, and then we're gonna have our while condition be while current is not equal to null, or stack dot is empty. So while the stack is not empty, or the root is not the current node is not equal to null. Then first thing we're gonna want to do is have another loop in here, and we're gonna do while current is not equal to null. And we'll go through this in a second. We're gonna traverse down the left side here and add every element to the stack, because you go down the left side. How the in order traversal works is kind of top to bottom, left to right traversal here. So we're going to do stack, and this is that's not a good example for the input. And, if you go to the solution, we could see really how it works. Like, this is really good, and I'll go through this in a second here. I like this little animation a lot. It helped me solve it here. So I would check for those when you do LeetCode stuff. But stack.push current. So we push the current node, and then we do current equals current.left. So we do left traversal here. That's going to traverse all the way down the left side. And then we're going to do, current is equal to stack.pop. Then we're going to do output array dot add current.val, right? Might be value, I don't know for sure. We'll check in a second. And then we do finally the right traversal at the very end here. So you can kind of see here that it's a left traversal, root node, and then right traversal. Current equals current.right. And then, that's pretty much it for the implementation. And then we just return, the output array here. Not too difficult here. And this should work, hopefully, guys. Yep, works. And then we'll submit it. Hopefully it works here. Accepted, awesome, 59.28%. I always say that this doesn't matter because LeetCode has messed up, but let's just look how this works, right? So current is set to the root. We have a stack, we have an output array. If it's the root's null, we return null. I already went over that. The root's obviously going to be null if it makes it past this point. So current is obviously not going to be null at first. So that's why we have an OR thing here, because the stack is empty. The stack gets initialized, the stack's empty, but it's an OR condition. So current isn't equal null, so this is going to execute anyway. While current's not equal null, and it's not, it's going to be 1 at first. We're going to push 1 onto the stack. So as we can see in this animation, first thing we do is push 1 onto the stack. Next thing we're going to do is current equals current.left, so 2 is going to get pushed onto the stack. Then 4 is going to be, because we do the whole left traversal, and then we pop 4 right off of the stack because, you know, we made it all the way down to the left side. So, you know, we pop 4 off the stack, we put it into the output array, and, you know, then 4's we're going to keep going, and we come back around and we do the right traversal. You know, we come back around, we get back to, you know, I just went over this a second ago, but, you know, 4.right and 4.left are going to be equal to null. So we get back around, current is going to be stack.pop. So 2 was on the stack. So stack 2 gets popped and then 2 gets added here. And then it does the right traversal, right? Because we get down, it goes all the way to the left traversal. 2 is the root of that subtree, that very small 3-node subtree of 2, 4, 5. 2, so we get the left side executed, 4 is executed, 2 gets put on, traversed, and added to the output array. 5 gets traversed and added to the output array after that. Same thing, then we go to 1, 3, 6. 1, 6, 3, my bad. 1 left, you know, whatever. But I don't know, I kind of explained that. And it wasn't a great explanation, but, you know, I've just, like, having trouble with my words. This is one of the more, you know, you know, it kind of made sense when I explained it. Sorry about that, but we'll do better in the next one here. But, you know, sorry if that was a bad explanation for anyone. You know, it's top, bottom, left to right. If you want me to do it one more time, I'll try. But 1, 2, 4. I just said the wrong numbers on accident. You know, I didn't think too well. 1, 2, 4. And then it goes all the way down to the left, goes to the root, then it goes to the right. And we look at Wikipedia. That's literally what it says. Left subtree. No, sorry. Left subtree, root, right subtree. Does that make sense? Left subtree, root, right subtree. Root, because this is the left subtree. Root, and you just have to keep envisioning it as a bigger picture. And then left subtree, root. So that's why 6 is before 3. So that's what happens here. Left subtree, root, right subtree. Boom. Done. Okay. Hopefully everyone gets that. Maybe I'll redo this video in the future because this is probably the worst one I've done so far. But if not, I'm uploading it. Let me know in the comments how bad this was. I'll try and improve in the next one. This is the worst one yet, but you know, hopefully you might have, you know, maybe just go and look up all this stuff that I'm telling you, and you know, hopefully you kind of understood a little bit of what I'm saying. And if not, you could, you know, just make fun of me in the comments or something. But thank you for watching. Check out my Twitch stuff. This is not a good representation of my character, but go and check me out on Twitch and hit subscribe anyway. I'll probably be better at, you know, obviously it's just a thing you have to practice. Coding is something you have to practice. So over time I'll get better and better. And, you know, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next LeetCode tutorial / other content that I do. Goodbye.